Reset your mind first thing every morning. I want you to think about you waking up this morning. What did you think about? What was the first thing on your mind? Was it a worry? Was it a doubt? Was it a fear? Was it a limiting belief? Was it about something that happened yesterday? What is it for you? Now, most people wake up and their mind just goes soaring to the thing that just happened, their past results, the thing that's worried, that it's usually money or a problem in business or whatever it is. And their mind gets consumed by this so much so that they wake up first thing in the morning, they could think a million different things, but they think about that thing right away, right? And that can really change their energy and change how they're manifesting very, very much if they would just shift it to a different thought process. Hey, Scott Houck here. In today's video, I want to do a couple of different exercises with you that will allow you to understand why you need to reset your mind every single morning and what to do about it even better than what you're doing already right now. Before we jump into the content today, make sure you throw a like on the video. And as you do so, it's going to send out to a lot more people, and together we can raise the positive energy in this world. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you're notified when we send out these other manifestation how-to content. And if you're looking to start coaching and teaching this material, you love it, you want to go out there and start bringing this to your clients if you already have a business, or you want to start doing this on a full-time basis and transitioning out of a full-time job, make sure you check out becoming one of our certified manifestation coaches. In the description below, you can click the link and check out some more details, fill out an application, book a call with my team, and see if this could be a potential fit for you, teaching and coaching others through this fabulous material that has probably impacted and changed your life. All right, so resetting your mind first thing in the morning. When we are in an energy in the morning, okay, right when we wake up and we're worried or doubtful or thinking about a problem, what we're doing is we are keeping our energy and our being in that frequency throughout the day, and most likely from that point, okay? So if I'm waking up and I'm already seeing images of this problem, seeing images of an argument, seeing images of these doubts and worries coming into my mind, what I'm really saying is this image in my mind, it's making me feel a certain way. That feeling is tapping into a vibration, and that vibration is going to allow myself to react and attract these certain scenarios into my life. So let's do an example. We usually cover money on this channel, so let's cover some money. Say I'm wanting to manifest my $30,000 month in business. That would be an example, okay? But the problem is I don't have enough leads, or the problem is I don't know how to do it, or the problem is, I just made $5,000 last month, and then $5,000 the month before, and $5,000 a month before that, and I haven't really gotten close to $30,000 in a month, right? So I'm frustrated. I'm feeling hopeless that things are going to actually work out. Right? So if I'm tapping into that energy in the morning, what do I feel? Drained. I feel slow, right? I feel like things are not going to move in my direction and my goals are never going to be achieved, right? So I'm getting into this feeling that is actually manifesting itself back to me, because the thoughts like the signal that we send out, and the feelings like the magnet that actually attracts it. So if I'm thinking something and I'm feeling it, I'm magnetizing that towards myself. If I'm just thinking it, but I'm not feeling it, I'm sending out that signal, but the signal won't be answered, if you will, by the universe, because I'm not actually feeling it. I'm not magnetizing that frequency back to me. Really, what you're doing and feeling and vibration are the same thing. So when you're actually intending something and feeling it, you're tapping into the frequency of that thing. Very, very important. So what we want to do every single morning is do a mental reset. Right when you wake up in the morning, it's going to be the toughest for the next 3 days. What you want to do is just lay there in bed, just even for a moment, and think about something good. There's a couple of different ways of attacking this. Something you've already heard before, I'm sure, is gratitude and appreciation. That's an easy one. Just start appreciating. I appreciate the bed. I appreciate my pillow. I appreciate that I have a roof over my head. If it's raining outside or snowing outside or windy outside, right? I have it so that I'm away from the elements and I can sleep and rest okay. Right? I could appreciate that I'm waking up in the morning with a new day ahead of me. Whatever that is, okay? That's very easy to do, okay? You could do that first thing in the morning. Or another thing you could do is deliberately picture something that you really, really want, okay? You could think about your bank balance being increased by a certain amount of money. You could see your business thriving in some sort of way. Whatever it is, just see some sort of mental image that you actually like and go ahead and see that within yourself. Okay, see that in your imagination and match your inner conversation, your inner mind chatter with that scene. So it could be, I'm so thankful I now have this in my life. I'm so thankful I just quantum leaped my money. I'm so thankful I just did this, whatever it is, okay? So you start to get into that appreciation for that thing, but inner mind chatter that matches what you do want, okay? Another side of this is you could be very, very present. Okay, so you could be just very present. If you wake up next to your loved one, be very present. You could be very present that you're actually really tired maybe in the morning. So you're just present with that feeling. Or maybe you're feeling well rested and you're waking up energized. So you could be present with that. Okay, you can be present with anything, something in your actual room. Maybe you have a poster, you have a sign, you have a spiritual piece hanging on the wall like we do, right? It doesn't matter what it is. You can actually just be present with that. So that's another way of, if your mind's constantly in this fear mode and doubt mode and just getting into this weird energy that's tight and you're constantly worrying and doubting, you can be in this zone where you're starting to appreciate, you're starting to imagine what you want, or really, you're starting to become present with something in your room. Now, what this is going to do for you, and again, this is going to be just a disclaimer, it's going to be really hard the first 3 days, 3 mornings of doing this. Because your mind, your emotional state, and your energetic side of you is not used to being and staying in that zone. It's used to doubting. It's used to worrying. So it actually finds some sort of goodness in doing the same thing because it's a momentum and it's a habit. And whatever we do habitually can sometimes be hard to break the chain. Okay? But this will absolutely blow your results out of the water if you start getting used to entertaining more good mental images and appreciation and presence. Okay, what you're going to do again is you're going to actually put out the right energy, that with more desirable things and more intentional things that you do want. That's going to match with the vibration you're sending out. And quote unquote, I would say quote unquote, because the universe, we say, is sending us, it's not really sending us, it's changing the fabric of the energy around us to actually have us receive the thing that we want. Because we're opening up channels through which we can receive our supply. Okay, so if you do your reset in the morning, okay, your mindset's different, your energy's different, your being's different, you're going to notice throughout the day you feel happier, you feel better, you feel like things are more in flow. You're going to feel like things are actually improving around you, okay? And you're going to notice your mind's not so chronically in worry and doubt around money. It's feeling more and more good around money, and then maybe you want more, right? Or maybe it's feeling really appreciative around money, so you're ready to go and serve more lives, right? So you're kind of getting out of what we call your own way, and you're actually tapping into the energy that is you. Okay, so try this out for the next 3 mornings. After the 3 mornings, try it for 7 days. Okay, then try it for 14 days. Just start with something small. For the next 3 mornings, I'm going to wake up, and for 5 minutes every morning, I'm just going to go ahead and entertain mental images of what I want or appreciation or whatever that is. Okay, try it for 3 mornings. Give yourself that challenge. Then try it for 7, like I mentioned. And before you know, you're going to change your momentum, and it's going to be habitual. And it's going to be easy and simple to actually tap into that energy. All right. Hopefully that makes sense. Try it out. In the comments below, go ahead and keep your accountability. Say day number 1, check. You can even tap into that in the morning. So take out your phone, open up YouTube, open up this video, put it aside. Okay. Go ahead and think of good mental images and appreciation. Once you've tapped into a better feeling, go ahead into the comment section and say day number 1 or morning number 1, done. Okay, then do the same thing for day 2, day 3. I challenge you to try and get to 30 days straight. It will change your life. I'm telling you, it'll change how you're feeling. It'll change how your day's going. It'll change your actions, behaviors, and the results that ultimately come into your life. Okay, try it out. I look forward to seeing your comments in the comment and chat section below.